please like and subscribe for more content, and please leave a comment down below if I should play this game again. In this video, we are going to be flying an aircraft and landing an aircraft a couple times. And
V1, rotate.
one of the times when I tried to land, I whole half apart, and then another time when I was trying to land, I had a little engine fire. You will see that in this video as well. In this video is really entertaining, better than my farm sim type of videos, at least according to me. And then I have another video coming out for you guys right after this one. So I'm gonna start recording that one. Well, that one's already recorded. I just have to edit it and do all the stuff to it, and then it'll be up on YouTube by 11 o'clock noon. So I'll upload this video first, of course,
V1,
and then it's gonna go
rotate.
after that. So just be ready for that video to be coming out before too long. These videos for today are going to be a bit longer because, you know, I'm going to be gone for a couple of days. So I'm just trying to make it really entertaining for you guys while I am away. Even though I don't upload often on this channel. This channel is switching to gaming, as you guys already know. If you guys don't know, this channel is now switching from being a shorts channel into a gaming channel. If you guys want shorts content, go over to Rudolph Alert.
This is your
Go
first
over to
officer.
Rudolph Shorts.
We have started our descent.
That's the name of the
We
channel.
have quite severe weather conditions out here today, so please return to your seats and fasten your seat belts.
And then I hope you guys really enjoy this video. This one is really neat. See it on my other videos that I do on this channel.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing.
It's just like Farming Simulator, all this other stuff that you guys probably don't know what it is. Which is why I'm here making a video for you guys to watch and get entertained. So that's just why I make these little videos for you guys to upload. Which is really cool. At the end of this year, even before that, even this weekend will be even better, to be honest. But I doubt we can hit it by the end of this weekend. If we can, that'll be even better. Please make that happen. Please, kind of that would happen. But it'll give me a 10 million likes.
We've lost an engine. Please return to your seats immediately for an emergency landing.
And also, I might start posting more often if this video gets 10 million likes. I need to try to figure out a good film schedule for you guys. So I'll be having a video coming out tomorrow. So this video's coming out today, and then the other video that I need to get prepped will be coming out tomorrow.
Cabin crew, prepare for emergency landing.
So that's my current film schedule right now. Is a video coming out tomorrow for you guys. So you say that video today, and then I'm gonna get the other video ready and get it pre-recorded for you guys, and that way there's a video to watch tomorrow. And then I'll approaching minimums tomorrow too for Sunday, but I'm not totally sure yet about that. Minimums. Right now our engine is on fire on the airplane, and we're getting ready for an emergency landing into the water, into the runway. 40. We're getting ready to make an emergency landing. We're landing right 20. Now. 10. We have just made an emergency landing. just made here today for you guys to watch and entertain by. I hope you guys really love gaming videos, and if you guys don't, then you can always unsubscribe. Thank you guys for watching.
From Lexi. Okay, that's fine.